When scammers use your bank account visual, dramatic intro, slow zoom on a frozen bank account screen, police lights flashing, phone ringing. Imagine waking up one morning to find your bank account frozen, law enforcement at your door, and the realization that you've been caught in a financial crime. You didn't steal. You didn't hack. All you did was forward a little money. Or maybe you had no idea anything even happened. Welcome to the dark world of Mule accounts. Visual, title appears on screen. When scammers use your bank account, the growing threat of Mule accounts. A Mule account is a legitimate bank account used to move stolen money. Sometimes the account holder is in on it. Sometimes they're just another victim. Scammers use these accounts to launder money during the layering stage of their operation, where they make it nearly impossible to trace the source of the funds. Visual, flowchart or animation of the steps, theft, recruitment, transaction, obfuscation. Here's how it usually works. Step 1. Criminals steal money through fraud, phishing, or scams. Step 2. They recruit someone, often through manipulation, to accept the money. Step 3. The money mule transfers it elsewhere. Step 4. It disappears into crypto, offshore accounts, or fake purchases. Visual, network map connecting different countries' accounts. Scammers don't wear ski masks. They slide into your DMS, send job offers, or flirt online. Let's break it down. Visual, split-screen examples of each method. Job scams. We're hiring financial agents. Work from home. Romance scams. Baby, I just need you to do this one thing for me. Social media lures. Turn $200 into $2,000 fast. Phishing. Fake emails and websites that steal your bank login. Gaming communities. Even in multiplayer games, scammers are recruiting. These tactics exploit loneliness, financial pressure, and trust. Why go through all this effort? Because Mule accounts make criminals invisible. Visual, hacker in shadows, tracing digital breadcrumbs that lead to innocent people. They provide anonymity, blend in with normal banking activity, and if something goes wrong, it's the mule who gets burned. Visual, stylized reenactments or dramatized stills. Case 1. A Texas college student was promised $500 for a simple transfer. The money? Stolen from a major company. The result? FBI arrest. Case 2. A 63-year-old woman wired $80,000 for her online boyfriend, only to be subpoenaed when her bank flagged the transactions. Visual, court gavel, legal documents, bank account statements. If you're caught as a money mule, even unknowingly, you could face money laundering charges, frozen assets, criminal records, credit destruction, employment bans. In finance, and cooperating doesn't always get you off the hook. How do you know if you're involved in a mule scheme? Look for these red flags. Visual, bold text overlays each one. Large deposits from unknown sources, requests to forward money, promises of commission. Strange job offers, bank alerts or restrictions. If something feels off, act fast. Visual, checklist animation, stop transactions immediately. Notify your bank, file a police report. Save all messages and emails. Call a lawyer, report to IC3, FTC, or your national agency. Authorities aren't blind to this. They're using suspicious activity reports, IP tracking, blockchain analysis, AI-powered pattern recognition. Visual, surveillance-style data flow, and digital tracking. Banks are investing in fraud detection AI to spot unusual account behavior, fast in and out transfers, new accounts with large transactions. Visual, interface of a fraud monitoring system. This isn't one person, it's a global machine. Visual, animated globe with networks branching across continents. Fake companies, dark web recruiters, criminal organizations, and yes, sometimes even terrorist funding. Technology is a double-edged sword. Visual, split screen showing good AI versus bad AI. Criminals use AI chatbots, deepfakes, crypto, and peer-to-peer apps to stay ahead. Regulation? Still catching up. Visual, person rejecting a scam. DM, Here's how to stay safe. Don't trust strangers with your account. Use two-factor authentication. Educate yourself and others. Be cautious on social media. Businesses, schools, and parents, listen up. Train employees on cyber scams. Add this topic to school curriculums. Work with law enforcement on awareness. Why do people fall for this? Scammers use reciprocity. I helped you, now help me. Authority, posing as a boss or government scarcity. Act now or lose the offer. Social proof, fake reviews and testimonials. Visual, social media simulations showing these tactics. If you've been targeted or tricked, report it. Fast. Visual, screenshots of these resources. IC3.gov, USA. Action Fraud, UK. FTC Complaints Assistant. Europol's Stop Money Muling Your Bank's Fraud Hotline. The threat of mule accounts is real, growing, and dangerous. But with awareness, we can stop it before it starts. Stay alert. Protect your data. Share this video and let's shut down the scam economy.